the following recording, I'll be showing you how to use the purchase feature of the Konica Minolta e-commerce online portal. Once logged into your account, from the home page, head to the blue taskbar at the top, hover over where it says purchase and then click on machine purchase. However, if you have an old product that requires collecting, you can scroll to the left hand side, hover where it says my products, and then underneath click on machines. Now we can see all the devices currently aligned to the account. We can either search for or scroll down to find the old product that requires collecting. Once we've identified which one this is, immediately to the left of the equipment number here, highlighted in blue, is a blue small circle with 3 dots in the center that we need to click on. And then after that, scroll down and click where it says new machine request. On the left of the screen, we can apply some filters to help us find the new contracted machine. So there is an option to select output size, output type and printer type. Once these have been applied, then you can move over to the right hand side of the screen and scroll down to find the equivalent machine to replace the one being collected. And once we've identified which one we need, click on view product underneath. Now we can select the financial options for the new device. We can select either rental or sales. In this example, I'm going to click on rental, and on the right hand side, click on the drop down arrow to select the time range of the rental. Underneath is confirmation of the device we've selected and the monthly fee. However, the device will be billed on a quarterly basis. Scroll down a bit further to find the orange button that says select and then click on this. Now we can choose additional accessories if required. So we have an option for antivirus software and an option to make the device wireless capable if required. And on the right hand side, confirmation of the monthly fee of these. Scroll down so we can see the option in orange that says next. Click on this. Now we can see the shopping cart and confirmation of the products that we've ordered. Just check these are all okay and then click on the orange button that says next. Now we just need to check the details of the shipping address. All of the mandatory fields marked with an asterisk will need to be completed. And once you've checked these, scroll down to where it says delivery requirements. And as this device is going on the second floor, I'll confirm that there is a lift available. You can mention if there are any restrictions with access, confirm your opening hours, and add any additional remark that you may need to. Underneath, we can see the contact for the delivery. And if the phone number isn't pre-populated, just enter that into the box. And scroll down to finally click on the orange button that says next. Now we can check the contract information, confirmation of the contact for the equipment again, enter the phone number if required to do so, and then important to note, the device will be installed remotely unless this checkbox is ticked for field installation only. Underneath, we can see the confirmation of the old device due to be returned, and in the brackets you can see the equipment number of the old model, and underneath you can enter your reference number, purchase order number, and use the freeform typing box to add any additional remarks, and then scroll down to find the orange button that says next. Click on this. Now we can check the order confirmation, so details of the products ordered, what financial conditions have been selected, confirmation of the shipping address, details of the old machine with its equipment number highlighted in blue here, and the option to upload any supporting attachments are there. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page just to check the terms and conditions. There's a tick box to agree with these, and finally the last thing to do is to click on the orange option, send for approval, and that's the end of the process.